This is going to be a video tutorial on how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in the Manjaro Linux operating system. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To update all of your apps at once using the terminal, it's very easy to do. First thing we want to do is open up the terminal. I'm going to go down to the bottom down here, down to my little terminal icon. I'm going to click on that. And now in the terminal, I'm going to type sudo pacman space dash capital S YU. You want to type just like that, then you want to hit enter. It asks for the password. I'm going to type my password in. I'm going to hit enter. Starting full system upgrade. Do I want to proceed? Now you want to type Y and hit enter. Now it will begin updating all of your packages. Now this could take a few seconds, it could take a few minutes depending on the speed of your computer and depending on how much updates you need to do. Now mine has finished. So it took me about 15 or 20 seconds to update mine, but it all just depends on how many updates you need to do and how fast your computer is. But that is how to update all of your apps at once using the terminal in the Manjaro Linux operating system. Thanks for watching.